Most people think you need thousands of followers to make money online. But what if a simple $10 digital product could quietly make sales every single day, even while you sleep? In this video, I'm going to show you how ordinary people are turning knowledge and creativity into income, and by the end you'll have an idea for your first digital product. Digital products are one of the easiest online businesses to start today. No inventory, no shipping, no warehouse. But the real secret isn't just creating a product, it's creating the right type of digital product. And later in this video, I'll show you a real $10 product that quietly sells every day. Most people trying to make money online get stuck doing the same thing. They try freelancing, they try affiliate marketing, they try content creation. You create something once, and you can sell it an infinite number of times, but many of those require constant work to make money. Digital products work differently. There's no inventory to manage, no shipping costs to worry about. It scales effortlessly. Digital products scale effortlessly because they are created once, but can be sold unlimited times. Think about it like this. If you create a printable planner, a budgeting spreadsheet, or a simple guide, you can sell that same file hundreds or even thousands of times without making it again, and the surprising part is, many of the best-selling digital products are extremely simple. In a moment, I'll show you a real example that sells for just $10 but generates income every day. Here are some of the most popular digital products beginners create: ebooks, templates, printables, online mini courses, Notion planners, and budget trackers. And most of these can be created in just a few hours. The good news is you don't need expensive software or tech skills. Some beginner-friendly tools include Canva for designing printables and ebooks, Etsy Digital, huge marketplace for printables. System is robust sales funnels, extensive email automation, and a central platform to manage your entire online business, easy delivery and automation. And here's the simple system most digital creators follow. Step 1. Create a helpful product. Step 2. List it on a platform. Step 3. Market it through social media. Step 4. Automate delivery. Once it's set up, the product can keep selling over and over again. Here's an example. Someone creates a $10 budgeting spreadsheet. They upload it to a marketplace like Etsy. If it sells just 3 times per day, that's about $900 per month from one simple file. And some creators have dozens of products working like this. That's why digital products are so powerful. A small idea can turn into an income stream that runs in the background. Before you leave this video, try this quick exercise. Ask yourself these 3 questions. What do people ask me for help with? What skill or knowledge do I already have? What simple guide, checklist, or template could solve a problem? That idea could become your first digital product. In the next video, I'll show you Lesson 3, Affiliate Marketing for Beginners.